You can't focus anymore, can you? You open your phone, just check one thing, and 30 minutes disappear. You start something important, but your mind drifts before you even begin. It's not laziness, it's not weakness. It's the modern trap your brain was never built to handle. This is the distraction trap. And if you don't understand how it works, you'll never escape it. If this hits home, subscribe, because this is Mind Shift, where we explore the psychology behind who you are and who you could become. What the distraction trap really is. Distraction isn't just losing focus. It's a rewiring of how your brain processes reward. Every time you scroll, swipe, or check a notification, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine, the same neurotransmitter linked to motivation and pleasure. Your mind learns boredom nars pain. Stimulation said reward. So it starts seeking constant novelty, new videos, new sounds, new updates. Not because you enjoy them, but because your brain is avoiding silence. The result? You lose the ability to stay still. You crave stimulation the way an addict craves relief, and slowly your attention span, your greatest tool for focus and creation, begins to erode. Why your brain falls for it? Psychologically, your brain is ancient. It evolved in a world of scarcity. But now we live in an age of infinite abundance, endless content, notifications, options. Your brain hasn't caught up? It still reacts to every ping, buzz, and color like it's something important. That's why you feel urge, relief, guilt, and repeat. A loop of reward and regret. Big tech companies know this. Every sound, vibration, and animation is designed to hijack your dopamine system. They're not selling apps. They're selling your attention. And the more your attention is divided, the less power you have over your mind. Because focus isn't just mental, it's emotional control. And distraction is emotional escape. How to escape the trap. Escaping the distraction trap isn't about deleting every app. It's about reclaiming control of your attention and retraining your brain to handle stillness again. Start small. First, delay gratification. When you feel the urge to check your phone, wait 10 seconds. Notice the discomfort. That's dopamine withdrawal. Second, create boredom windows. Walk without your phone, sit in silence. Let your mind wander again. That's where creativity grows. Third, single task everything. When you eat, just eat. When you work, just work. The brain rebuilds focus through repetition, not willpower. For digital fasting, choose one day a week to go low stimulation. No scrolling, no endless tabs, or just real presence. As you practice, your dopamine system recalibrates. Silence stops feeling empty, it starts feeling peaceful. And suddenly you're back in control of your time and your life. The truth is, distraction isn't stealing your time. It's stealing your depth. It's trading your potential for momentary comfort. Every notification, every scroll is a question. Do you want to escape your life or engage with it? The more you choose engagement, the more powerful you become. Because attention, focused, deliberate attention, is the foundation of every great mind. This is Mind Shift. Understand your mind, master your life.